Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. My name is Nancy, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and like my videos. In my previous video on how to draft a corset blouse, I explained how to cover the bra cup without a lining. But in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to wrap the bra cup using a fabric and a lining. Now I have the pattern paper here. The first step is to fold it into two and to further fold it into two. So I practically folded it into four. The next step is to take the width of the bra cup. Now you place the tape at one end of the bra cup, then to the other end. Here I have 7.5 inches, so I'll add half inch for the seam allowance, and that'll be 8 inches. So since I have 8 inches, I'll divide by 2, and that'll be 4 inches. Now I'll mark 4 inches from the edge of the fold as shown. Next step is to open the first fold as shown. Then mark the center of the fold. Then also mark 1 inch on both ends as shown, using a straight ruler to connect the points together. So when you open this up, you should have two panels. This panel is just for a single bra cup. Since this is a template, we'll place this on the main fabric to cut out. Now I'll pin these two panels together. The main fabric I'm using is a lace, but since it's transparent like a see-through lace, I'll be making use of a taffeta underneath the lace. Now I'll fold the fabric into two as shown. Then I'll fold it further into two. So I practically folded it into four. Now I'll place the template on the fabric to cut out. After cutting, you should have 4 panels. Now I'll fold the main fabric, which is the lace, into 4. Then I'll place the template on it to cut out. The next step is to place each lace panels on the taffeta panels. Pinning the lace to the plain fabric, the next step is to place one side of the panel on each other. To get the lining for the bra cup, you fold the lining into 4 as shown, then you place the template to cut out. Now we have the main fabric and the lining ready. We'll take this to the sewing machine to secure them together. So this is the main fabric. You place them on each other to sew by half an inch. The bra cup has a curved shape, so it's very important to notch the seam allowance so it relaxes well on the bra cup. After notching the seam, you iron the seam allowance so it relaxes well on the bra cup. So after ironing, you can place the fabric on the bra cup. You can decide to place the fabric on the bra cup as shown in form of a straight line in the center of the cup, or you can tilt it a little. So I decided to place the line horizontally on the bra cup. Is I'll fold the bra cup into two. Then I'll mark 3 inches from the center on both sides as shown. Now I'll pin the line of the fabric on the 3 inches points I marked on both sides, which I'll then stretch the fabric to pin the other sides so the fabric sits properly on the cup to avoid excess fabric. Remember, we are working with 2 cups, so make sure you wrap the second cup. Now the next step is to sew the sides by 1/2 inch as shown. Now I'll trim the excess fabric at the edges. For the lining, you sew the seam allowance by 1/2 inch, then you notch the top stitch. The next step is to place the lining on the bra cup, making sure that the horizontal line on the fabric and on the lining meets each other. Next step is to sew just the upper part of the bra cup. After sewing, you trim out the excess at the upper part. Then you top stitch on the lining to avoid the lining popping out at the neckline. So after top stitching, I'll place a hemming gum in between the fabric and the lining in the upper part. The reason for this is because I want the lining to relax properly. Make sure you adjust the lining so it isn't too tight or too free inside the cup. The final step is to sew the edges round. Please make sure you also do this for the second cup. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Nancy. Please subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos.